2017 Dodge Ram 1500.
Not a Dodge.
I mean Ram 1500. Sorry guys. 5.7 liter V8. What we got done on this one is something different, something special. It's got factory converters there. Then we cut that stupid Y out and true dueled it all the way back into a cherry bomb. Part number 7481CB. 2.5 inch inlet, 2.5 inch outlet. We love them, but we hate the paint that's on them. So cherry bomb, if you're watching, stop painting the edges. Think about the muffler people that have to install these. It's a pain in the butt because it won't let us weld cleanly, and we have to grind them and do everything else to be able to just be able to weld it. That's why the weld looks kind of but it works. It'll hold with turn downs right there. But that paint is just brutal. We grind it and everything is still brutal. But that's how you true duel, right there. All the way back. If you want the link to the cherry bomb, you'll hopefully we'll have a link for it in the description. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Those got turn downs on it. And we cut all this crap off. And I forgot to say, what did I forget to say, Tim?
It got a HEMI.
It's got a HEMI. Oh my God! Again? That thing screams. I love it. Again? Sound decibels? 108. Again? About 108, 110. It's probably louder than that. And this is everything we cut off of it right there. We wanted it louder. So we true dueled it. Because why not? Let us know what you guys think of the sound. I like it. It's different. It growls, man.
It does.
I love it. Again? That is so sick. I like it. That cherry. Each muffler is different depending on the muffler, you know?
Yeah.
Told you that cherry bomb would sound good on it. I like it. Hope you guys like it. Let us know what you guys think of the sound of it. We'll let you hear on the inside. Ram 1500 HEMI. It's got a HEMI. Yep, it's got a HEMI. Look, it's got a HEMI. Go ahead. Oh yeah.